Hello everyone, this printer is Epson EcoTank ET-2876. Going to show you how to copy documents with this printer. Open the glass scanner, stick the document you want to copy face down. Make sure the document starts from the bottom right. You will see arrow on the bottom right. This document is A4 paper. Then use right arrow button or left arrow button, go to copy, then select OK. Then use left or right arrow button to select the color, or up to select the number. Then side arrow to copy. We want to copy this document in color, and select OK for print settings. Then scroll down to select the density, the paper A4 plain paper, actual size 100% custom, original size A4, single page, quality is standard, ID card is off, borderless is off, density. So these are the things you can select. After you select that, then you select OK to confirm it. And then the next thing to do is select this button to copy the document. This is the document we copied. If you want to copy this two-sided, you reload the document on the paper. So we want to copy two-sided, reload the document. Put the document you want to copy in the glass scanner. Then select color, select number of copies, 1. It will show you color. Use right arrow or left arrow to select the color. Select OK. Then scroll down to settings. Show you density. Paper A4. Actual size 100%. A4. You can see standard. If you want high, then you select high. Select OK to confirm the paper to be in high. Then scroll down again, density. Can adjust the density. Select OK to confirm it. Scroll down, actual size 100% A4. Can scroll up, A4 single page. Scroll down again, it show you single page or 2 up. Select on it and confirm. Then you go back. Select OK to confirm single page. Then select this button to copy. So use this button to copy color or copy black, the same button. If you change your mind, you press this to cancel it. This is the document we copied in color, two-sided. Now I want us to copy this document in black. So stick the document you want to copy face down. Close the cover. Then use right arrow button to select black and white. We show you B and W. If you want to select the number of copies or increase it, then use this arrow button to increase the number of copies. It will also show you up or down to select the number of copies. You can see you can copy up to 99. Then the next is use this arrow to select black, then select OK, black and white to confirm. Then use this down arrow button. You go to settings, you select density, can adjust it, then select OK to confirm this density. Select settings again, will show you density, paper settings, show you A4 and plain. So if you have different paper, then use right arrow to go to particular paper you want. Scroll down again, it show you actual size. Scroll down again, it show you 100% or custom size. Original size A4, single page, quality, standard. Select OK to confirm it. Then select this button to copy. So the document is copying in black and white. This is the document we copied in black text. So this is how to copy document with this printer. We copied in color and also copied black document. Thank you very much indeed.